Why are you here? Leave a comment below why you are here. And I'd love to hear from you, and support this channel in some way by giving this a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me tell you why I'm here, because I love producing content for YouTube and sharing my knowledge and insights to lovely people like you. So please do share this video. On with the show. Right now I'm here in the beautiful city of Oxford, walking along the Oxford Canal, soon to head into the city centre. Oxford is famous for so many things, and I'm sure I could sound really intelligent and rattle off a whole new list of things that Oxford is famous for that I googled. But to save you all that trouble, why not Google it yourself and see what Oxford is actually famous for, whilst I go into the city centre and share with you some insights of being a beginner runner, and maybe even a forward-thinking runner, of what things we need to do and what Oxford is famous for from the running perspective. Yeah, there is method in madness, what I'm doing here. So today I'm here in Oxford, famous for many things. The spires, like one of the spires behind me, is one of those things that Oxford is famous for, but obviously being one of the top universities here in the United Kingdom, if not the world. Similar to running, there's a lot of information out there and a lot of people who want to baffle us with knowledge and science and everything. But to get started in running, it's really simple. Maybe there's some things which we think that we need to have, but do we really need them? Do we really need running sleeves? Arm sleeves? No. Do we really need compression socks? Calf sleeves? No. Do we really need an expensive smartwatch? Expensive smartwatch and high-tech gear? No. What things do we really need? Unlike studying for a degree at Oxford University, running should be nice and easy, should it not? Did you like that bit of poetry there? Hey, hey, hey. So yes, running should be nice and simple. I like to keep things simple. I like to look back of how I started running and the things that I had to get started, and maybe that sharing those with you will help you too to get started in running. With one of the most famous colleges of Oxford University behind me, getting started in running, for me when I got started, all I needed was, and what I used, was some simple Carrymore shoes, which I used for walking, hiking. They were comfortable. So to get started, all we need is a comfortable pair of shoes, some comfortable clothing, and go out for a run. It really is that simple. As I said earlier, there may be some folks out there, all with good intentions, but they do tend to overcomplicate things. As I was saying earlier, we don't need an Oxford University degree to get started in running. Keep it simple, try it out and see how you get on, and then if moving on you want to study a bit more and look at maybe some fancy running shoes, some running gear, all that type of stuff, then yes, then go ahead, which I'll be covering in the next video of how you might want to progress onto all the other good stuff. Yeah, but to get started, comfy shoes, comfy clothes, and just go out for a run, because most of our early runs, for me, it was literally just to the end of the street, but it might be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, walk, jog, something comfortable to see how you get on and if you're going to enjoy it. Yeah? Oxford is famous for many, many things, but for me as a runner, and today on Global Running Day, it's famous for that first ever sub 4 minute mile. Roger Bannister, what an amazing guy. And when you look at how he got started in running, if you look at what gear he used, if the gear and kit that he used to run a sub 4 minute mile was that relatively simple for now, is it not good enough for us now as a beginner? As I'm walking down one of the famous streets, yes, for those Inspector Morse fans, yes, Inspector Morse, he was famous for Oxford, yeah. We don't need to be an Inspector Morse to get started in running. We don't need to do the analysis, decisions and actions to get started in running. We just need to do those three basic things. Get some comfy shoes that you can run in, comfy clothes, and a good attitude, and let's go. Hope you found this useful. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you at the next one, where we'll be progressing up the next level of running.